and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, today's video is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing and of course giveaway. I think this month is going to be actually a pretty big giveaway. I'm giving away quite a few things. So if you want to see my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of November, then just keep watching. Before I start unboxing, I want to do the question of the day. And today's question of the day is just, did you get this month's Boxycharm or Boxycharm Premium? Let me know down below, especially if you got the Premium. I'm super curious about it. If you can hear some noise in the background, like my husband walking above me, that's because he's being so kind and making me some coffee because it's so cold right now. We didn't get a fall here in the Midwest. It's just gone straight to winter. It's freezing. I hate it so much. Then the other sound is a heater, an extra heater running in the other room because it's freezing. The same reason. I hate winter. I don't hate many things, but I hate winter. So Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription if you're not familiar with it. The basic Boxycharm is... You guys say hi to everybody?
Huh?
Hi to everybody?
No, just
There he is. Isn't he cute? So the basic version of Boxycharm is $25 a month. They also have Boxy Luxe, which is a quarterly subscription. That is an additional $28.99 on top of your $25. And then they just launched a Boxycharm Premium, and I'm a little salty with Boxycharm right now. So Boxycharm Premium is monthly, and instead of getting the basic box for $35, you get the premium box. This is why I'm salty at Boxycharm. So I remember when I first saw the announcement about Boxycharm Premium months back, and I don't remember when exactly the date was that you could go in and select that as your preference, the premium. Well, I distinctly remember going in, setting myself up for the Boxycharm Premium. I don't know what happened, but my account obviously did not save this preference. I don't get on my Boxycharm account very often. There's really no need to because it just ships to me every month. So I got this month's Boxycharm and I was like, wait a second, this is the basic box. What the heck? I signed up for the premium. So then I got on my account and it didn't show that I'd signed up for premium. I had to rejoin the wait list. So I sent them a message and I was like, is there any way I could send back this box? I haven't used anything. I will send it back. I'll pay the extra. I really was wanting to try the premium box so I could show it to my subscribers. And I was also super duper excited for the eye cream and the Natasha Denona palette in the premium box. They basically came back, but there's nothing we can do. Part of me understands, but part of me is frustrated. But the good thing is, since I'm not real thrilled about the box, I am going to be giving away a bunch of items to my Lash fam. So, and please ignore my hair. I did absolutely nothing with it today. This is what happens to me in the wintertime when it's cold. I don't care about much besides staying under blankets and keeping warm. So anyways, let's dive on into this box so you guys can see all the goodies. Per usual, I will dive into the items I'm keeping first, and then I'll dive into the items I'm giving away. So this month's box is called Stellar. Per usual, there's an info card in here that tells you what's in the box, what the items cost. And I hear people talk about their variation in the box. How do you find that out? Where do you see the variation number? I never know where to find that. No clue. So something a little bit different in here is they gave me a little sample thing of the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. After I filmed this, I found out that is so we can color match for future foundations to be featured in the box. I just wanted to let you guys know. So I got two face masks from the company Vita Masks, and I got a goggle eye mask in Brighten and Protect and another one in Repair and Relax. I have not heard of this brand. These come in at $12. So again, not thrilled to get masks. I feel like we've been getting a lot of masks lately, and I do love me a good face mask. Do not get it twisted. I love a good face mask, but I have so many currently, and I just feel like we've been getting a lot of these. I would have liked to see something a little bit different. There were other variations of this box that I preferred much more to the one I got. I will put a link down below of all the variations for you guys to check out. I'm just not thrilled with the one I got. But at least I will use these, so that's cool. I can keep them in my stash. The next thing I'm going to keep for myself because I have another product in my skincare stash. If you haven't seen it, I'll link that video down below for you guys by this brand. This is the Juice Beauty, the organic organic solution. This is an eye treatment. I'm all about eye treatments because I'm definitely getting a little bit of fine lines around the eyes. And these products are really, really expensive. This comes in at $50. It's a proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C. Antioxidant-rich botanical juices work to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. I do feel like I've had more dark circles this winter than usual, so definitely excited to give this a try. And that is all I am keeping from this box, so the rest will be a giveaway to one lucky member of the Lash fam. So if you've never done my giveaways before, all the info will be down in the description box to follow along and make sure you're checking all those boxes to make sure you're fully entered into the giveaway. The first thing is, of course, you have to be subscribed to the channel, join the Lash fam. Second of all, you have to be 18 years of age with a USA mailing address. I just cannot afford international shipping at this time. And if you are an international subscriber, please know that I still so appreciate you being here. I really, really do. And I hope as my channel grows, eventually I'll be able to do international giveaways. And then the third thing is, please comment down below with hashtag I love my Lash fam. It helps me keep an eye on who's really entering the giveaway versus who's commenting. And please put an Instagram handle so I can contact you. If you don't have Instagram, it's not the end of the world. We'll figure something out. So yeah, that's it. All you have to do. Now let's talk about the items I'm giving away. The first thing is a Dose of Colors lipstick. We literally just got one of these like a month or two ago. I don't know, it feels like really, really recently. So I'm definitely going to give this away. This is in the color Flirty, which looks like a soft pink. It says, our liquid matte lipsticks has a high fashion matte finish, but it is supposed to remain ultra comfortable. $18. I can say I'm not a huge liquid lipstick fan, but I actually do really like the formula of the Dose of Colors. It is very comfortable, so that is a great item for someone to receive. The next thing is a 2-piece brush set, you guys. I've got so many brushes, I do not need more. This is a Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. Create your favorite looks with the first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. I do know that Nima Tang, if you've ever seen her channel, she uses a brush very, very similar to this by Wet n Wild that she absolutely loves. So I have a good feeling about these, that these are going to be really, really nice. And these come in at $35. The last one is super beautiful. I almost kept it for myself, but you guys, I almost have like no more room for eyeshadow in my collection. Like my drawers are full. So I'm going to be giving away this Celestial Thunder palette by Dominique Cosmetics. I've heard the formula of this is absolutely stellar. Good word choice. The box was called Stellar. And this comes in at $35. I do want to show you guys what the colors look like. Such a pretty palette. The colors look stunning, and I must say this Eternal Light looks so glittery and like a champagne shade. Ooh, it looks beautiful. Very, very neat palette. I definitely think someone is going to love to receive this with the other goodies. So if you want to get in on the giveaway, just make sure you're following along and doing those 3 steps. But that is everything for this box overall. Okay. Overall, besides the fact that I'm very irritated that I did not get the premium box, this was not my favorite Boxycharm month. The palette is beautiful, but besides that, honestly, not really impressed with anything that came in this box. This is the first month I've really gotten a box that I was truly disappointed by, but like I said, I don't know if that's because I was so mindset like, oh, I'm getting the Natasha Denona palette, oh my gosh, like I was so excited. So I don't know if that makes this box seem like less exciting to me, but I've just seen other variations online. Again, I'll have that down below for you guys to check out, and I just thought the other variations were better. So you guys, that is everything for today. Let's do the shout out of the day. Kathy Davis commented on my makeup collection video and said, wish you would have shared the storage containers you use, drawers and such. Kathy, that is a great idea. I don't know why I didn't think of it at the time. I think part of the reason I didn't think of it is because the fact that I don't have like fancy drawers. You know, so you see so many people have the IKEA drawers, like that's kind of a staple, it seems like, on YouTube. Mine are cheapies. All of my storage is either from Amazon or Walmart, and I just looked up plastic storage containers and found these 3-piece drawers. That goes for my tables also. They're just plastic like picnic tables from Walmart, and they were really, really cheap, so that's what I went with. So yeah, I'm so sorry I didn't think of that. You were right. That's a really good idea. I wish I would have included it. And you guys, that's everything. Let me know what you think of this month's box, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love, love, love for you to join the Lash fam. Really, I would. Woo!